Here's everything you need to know about the 2026 Honda Accord Sport L Hybrid in just 5 minutes. Now, what makes a Sport L that much more different is the fact that you got these black trimmings all around this thing. It's on the windows, front grille, front lip splitter, side skirts, side mirrors, rims, diffuser, spoiler, and even the antenna on top of the car is making that thing look just that much more sporty. We in the Hondeezy, keeping it extra greasy, folks cheesy. Now under the hood, the engine's so quiet you can't even hear that thing, and I'm talking right now, man. But we got a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 204 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque, paired nicely with an eCVT transmission, giving you 46 miles per gallon in the city and 41 on the highway. Now the starting price for your entry-level Honda Accord Sport is gonna run you about $35,000 with no bells and whistles, straight bone gristle. But if you want all the bells and whistles like the one we got, it's gonna run you about $37 in the things. Now don't be sleep on the Hondas now. We got a 0 to 60 in 6.7 seconds with a top speed of 125 miles an hour. We in sport too. We got these 19-inch rims wrapped up in these 235/40s on all 4 corners. The only thing that can make this setup look better is your Barrett's Automotive Magic Tire Sheen, baby. Make sure you get some. Click the link in the bio right now and get yours. Come support our car wash products. Now, when it comes to headroom and legroom, this is a Honda Accord. I used to have one of these. At 6'10", I got abundant headroom and legroom, and it may not look like it with my shoes on, but you know the tall guy trick is always take them shoes off, baby. That's the tall guy hack, no pun intended, man. And when I do that, abundant legroom as well. Now this trunk space is beyond abundant, and even got underground floor storage with an air compressor under that thing. But from the trunk, you could pull a tab and lay down the back seats to increase your full practicality. And would you look at that, we got some Barrett's Automotive products right there. Click the link below and get the best automotive car wash products in the game, baby. These sun visors are not only big, but they got a bright white LED light and they detach and extend. We got pretty decent door panel storage in both the front and back doors. There's even a bottle holder in that thing. We got memory seats for the driver, just not for the passenger. Hey, who cares about them anyway? Now it's very rare whenever your boy talk about some air vents in the car, but these joints I cannot pass up. They are very nice design, man. Got a nice modern sleek look on them things, and they look good in the middle and on the side. Now, when it comes to climate controls, they're analog in this car, which is great because you ain't got to go through the infotainment screen to mess with them. And they're super intuitive and easy to use and also super responsive. Now, in the center console, you got 2 cup holders, and in front of that, you got an abundant amount of storage space with a wireless phone charger and 2 USB-C chargers to match it. Now, anytime you want to change your drive modes in this vehicle, all you gotta do is pull this tab up or down anytime you want to go from eco, sport, normal, and individual. We got a good, comfortable, leather-wrapped armrest for that elbow meat, and inside of there, you got an abundant amount of storage space and a 12-volt charger. We got a sunroof that looks real good and sporty. Now, since this is the Sport L, it can get real sporty in this thing, so it's very important that you got 4 handles in here for every last passenger in this whip, including the driver, because you might just have to ride with this joint like this, because it's that sporty, baby. You even got a little decent-sized glove box in this thing, too. Now, the digital gauge cluster cannot be reconfigured, but you do have your very own Honda Accord Sport L in the middle of that thing that showcases your brake lights, blinkers, and even headlights in real time. Now, both the left and right side can show different things with inside your digital gauge cluster. All you gotta do is hit this spindle on the left or right side of the steering wheel to reconfigure it however you like. Now, not only does the infotainment screen look just as good as the digital gauge cluster, but it also offers things such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa, a clock, compass, power flow, trip computer, vehicle settings where you can spin your Honda 360 degrees, and you can even change the paint on that thing. And guess what? There's even a Wi-Fi hotspot up in here too. Now, not only are these seats just as comfortable as they look, they even got a little side bolstering and they're heated. The only thing that can make these seats look better is your Barrett's Automotive pristine leather conditioner. Click that link in the bio right now and support our car wash products, baby. Now, if I sit upright, here's how my headroom is in the back seat. But the tall guy hack is to slouch down with the waist. Your lower back will be compromised over time, but your headroom is gonna be cool, and that's how you fit. Legroom ain't that bad. I've experienced a whole lot worse. Now, while you are in the back seat, you do got some air vents for some circulation back of this thing, 2 USB-C chargers, a ceiling light, and a kangaroo pouch for storage. Now, when it comes to the key fob, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This joint type modern, sleek, got a cool design. Type exceeds the price tag if you ask me. It's pretty nice. Now, when it comes to everyday comfort and drivability, as you can see at my height, I'm really comfortable in this joint. It looks really good. These seats are beyond comfortable, and just the everyday driving experience is amazing. I love Honda. Now, that's everything I think you need to know about the 2026 Honda Accord Sport L Hybrid in just 5 minutes.